Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto E32s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on your device. So firstly, open Play Store because you have no call recording feature in the settings in the normal phone application, and find here HUAWEI or other else third-party ACR automatically call recorder application. So find this app and install it. Click open. Next. Grant permissions while using allow. Enable app connector. Find your Cube ACR. Choose Cube ACR app connector shortcut. Allow. Go read. Go back. Enable. Use ACR connector. Go back. Okay, go read. Hello. Yes. Or no. I don't want to provide location access for this application. So, as you can see, we can pay for additional features, but we don't need these features to record calls, okay? And great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded using this application. And if you want to find your recordings, just open CubeACR application, find your recordings, but you need to know that if you don't have the root access on your device, you need to enable external speaker. When you call into your microphone, will pick up your voice and the voice of your communication partner. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.